In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to disable autoplay for videos and live photos on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these same instructions for other iPhone models. So what you need to do is go to the settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to Photos, tap on that, and then under Photos, scroll down and find this autoplay videos and live photos and turn that option off. Now with that option disabled, you can now hit the back button all the way to the home screen. And now when you go to the Photos app and find a video or a live photo, even if you tap on it, it's not going to play. You have to press the play button for the video to play. That applies to live photos as well. So that's basically how to turn off autoplay for videos and live photos on your iPhone in the Photos app. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.